welcome back to my channel and happy holidays. Christmas is like what, less than a week away, so what better way to celebrate than to give you guys an easy holiday makeup tutorial that you can wear on Christmas Day or for your Christmas parties. Just to let you guys know, this video is a collaboration with my girl Jasmine. She's also going to give you some ideas for a holiday makeup look, so I will have her information linked below. When you're done watching this video, head on over to her channel and check out her look. Let's get started. I'm going to use the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. If you hear bells, that is my sweater. Next, I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Baby Skin Pore Primer. So now that that's done, I'm going to go in with this Dermablend Professional Powder. And once that's all done, just sweep the powder away. For foundation today, I'm going to be using the Revlon Colorstay in the shade 380. Don't forget to drag it all the way down to your neck. Another product that I've been using that is pretty new for me is the L'Oreal Full Wear Concealer. And you guys, I really love this. I really love that concealer, you guys. And it blends so seamlessly. Alright. Next, I'm going in with the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Setting Powder in the shade Banana. Next, I'm going to take this brush here and dust away the powder. We're going to jump right into the eyes. I'm going to start with the Urban Decay Heat palette and use this shade Sauce for my transition color. Next, I'm going to go in with the shade He Devil from that same palette. Next, I'm going in with the Tartiest Pro Remix palette and using this shade right here. But before we use it, I'm going to use the NYX setting spray. I just sprayed this all over my mirror. Okay, I'm gonna pat it. Oh my. Wow. That is crazy. This is so cute. Okay. So you guys want to pat this. We're going to pat this all over our lid. This is such a pretty color. This is so cute. Oh my gosh. Clearly was not expecting this. You guys, I'm not used to these talk throughs at all. I usually do the voiceovers. I'm trying to switch it up and try something different. I completely love this look. And I didn't even have to dampen this brush a second time. It's still popping, like insane. That is it for the eyes. We used 2 different transition colors and then this pretty emerald green for the lid. I wanted this to be a simple holiday makeup look and it doesn't get more simple than this. So we're going to jump right into the eyeliner and mascara. Oh, I love this. Okay. Alright, now the challenge will be making sure that the other eye is as perfect. A little thicker. This eye is perfect. This one, it's not terrible. I'm gonna add a little more so that they're even. I'm gonna go in with this Maybelline Big Shot Mascara. Now I always like to wipe off the excess so that it's not looking too crazy. I always do the bottom. bottom lashes, or top, y'all know what I mean. Both sides of your top lash. There we go. And then your bottom lashes. It's still too thick. Okay, you guys, here are the eyes. I'm gonna do the rest of my face off camera and then you can see the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. Don't forget to head over to my girl's Jasmine page for her easy holiday makeup tutorial. She is amazing. If you are not already, make sure you subscribe to her channel and check her out. I will have it linked in the description box below. Thanks for tuning in. I will see you guys next time.